What's up, my beauty butterflies? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I don't even know how to describe it. It's a first impression for sure, but it's also like a and now I really am stupid for putting on eyeshadow, I realize, because I wanted to try something else out. But okay, everything on my face will be listed down below, and I'm not even sure how to list the stuff that I'm about to review because I found it at the dollar store, but we're just gonna jump right into it. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so I was at the dollar store the other day, and I came across these things that say blush on them, right? Blush. They did have actual blushes, but these are highlighters. They say these are the Rimmel London Jelly Highlighter. I don't know if it's Illuminateur or Illuminator, but so they say blush. This one's also a jelly highlighter, but the colors are very weird. And I'll show you, and I'll, sometimes, some things I'm like, okay, and the blush, shade range was very minimal, and I was like, I don't really want to risk this. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? What kind of highlighter is bright pink? I mean, like I said, okay, so I'm really annoyed that I wore eyeshadow today, because I was gonna think, oh, maybe I can put this on my eyes. What the hell is this? Well, it's called Shifty Shimmer. It does say not suitable for eyes. That's actually really funny. What the hell, man? Okay. And then the other one I got was also a highlighter, because I feel like it's safer to test out the highlighters first, because you can't return stuff at the dollar store. And the bronzers were like, I don't even know. And the blushes were like, color range was very, like, just minimal. I don't know. And again, I thought if they didn't work out as highlighters, I can use them as eye stuff, but I guess I can't. But if I go blind, I go blind, right? This one looks a little bit more like a highlighter. It looks more like a blush lighter, but all right, let's try these out. I am a little scared. Oh, wait, but I also forgot that I also bought a blush. Not one of these. Liquid blush, fine. That clear stuff I got from Amazon a while ago, fine. And I don't know what jelly blushes, and I'm a little kind of nervous about it. But okay. Alright, so I've been watching Bethany Frankel, who I love. She's been raving about this company at dollar store, so I thought I'd pick something up from it because they didn't really have that much at my dollar store. It is the Ioni blush in the color peach, and according to Miss Bethany Frankel, this is a very close dupe to the NARS Orgasm blush. Okay. The box doesn't close. Like, seriously, guys, the box doesn't close. How is one supposed to... Am I missing something? No, there's a magnet here. I feel the magnet.
12 seconds later.
Guys, what the hell? What am I missing here?
A few moments later.
That's a fail. That's a massive fail. All right, well, we're going to try this out anyway. I don't even know how I'm going to end up closing this because I'm pretty sure they forgot to put the magnet in here. That's so dumb. Okay. And I already poked my finger in it. Awesome. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oy, hell no. This is ridiculous. What am I supposed to do? Like, keep it in the packaging the rest of its lifetime? All right, I'm gonna see if I can try and blend this out a little bit more. I mean, it's nice, but it's also very pigmented. It's very pigmented. It's not so bad. I just cannot believe there's no magnet. How the hell am I supposed to close it? I don't get it. How am I supposed to close it? I don't know. All right, let's go in with the Candy Queen highlighter. Okay.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Also very pigmented and like liquidy. Is this liquid? It's messy. That much I can tell you. Okay. So let's... Okay, it's very pretty. Jelly? I wouldn't say jelly. I would say... I don't even know what I would say, what the consistency is, but it's like underneath my fingernail. Can we see that? Okay, now it's like everywhere. That's always fun when you get makeup everywhere. All right, I'm gonna use what's on here. I'm just gonna do it on one side because we have the other highlighter as well. I don't even... Okay. Definitely not with this look, like this blush, but it's nice. It's just a really weird consistency. I wouldn't call it a jelly. I would definitely call it like paint. I would say more it's like paint, and I don't know how to get it out from underneath my finger. Yeah, it's got a nice shimmer shine to it. I wish I could like take whatever this is out of my finger. Yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting. I'm a little scared of the other one now. It definitely feels like paint, and I definitely wouldn't wear it with this blush. I would say that this may be more like it kind of reminds me, without the paint and messiness, it kind of reminds me of the Hello Halo blush lighter in like the coloring. So I mean, it's like a nice champagne color. That I can give you. All right, now I'm a little scared to open up the really pink bright one.
Much later.
Bad packaging. I will tell you that. I understand why they have the metal. How? What is that? And watch it like not even be that pigmented. Oh, hi. And I still have a ton more on my finger. Okay. If you're going to like definitely a lot less if you're gonna use this. Okay. Wow. Okay, people who can afford the Rare Beauty one, is this what it looks like? Of how like how like blinding it is? Yeah, this is definitely, unless you're supposed to like shake it before you use it. I mean, I can understand why you can't use it on your eyes, but because of the formula. But this is just odd. It's like, it is so blinding, guys. It is so blinding. Okay. Quick video, that's all it was. Okay, if I would ever pick one up again, I would pick up the Candy Queen one, which is this side. I don't know what to do about that. I mean, it's pretty. It's weird. The consistency is very odd, guys. It's definitely more of a paint consistency and not a jelly. I'm starting to dig the blush. I'm just not digging the fact that I can't close it. If I'm missing something, please let me know. But I mean, how is there no magnet? I don't know. I don't get it, but there's no magnet. Okay, so those are I think that's like the first products I've actually bought from Dollar Store that I didn't already know what they were. Because I remember like a while ago I found e.l.f. lipsticks there and I couldn't find the color anywhere else. So I was like, sweet! But other than that, I've never bought makeup products from the Dollar Store. I'm gonna hopefully see if they can like exchange the blush for me because it's damaged. Because I mean, I do like it. I do like it. I do. It's just... I don't even know. This is an interesting video. But anyway, I do like the blush. I will say I recommend the blush. I think they have other shades as well. But maybe open it in the store first and see if there's a magnet. But anyway, I really look like I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm pretty sure I just got a whole bunch of highlighter in my hair. If you like watching this video, if you like seeing me act like a fool, if you like watching tips, tricks, dupes, hacks, first impressions, is it worth it videos, speed reviews, all that jam, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below so you can be alerted as when I post new videos, which every Tuesday and Friday. Any questions about these products, let me know. I'll keep you posted on if I was able to return it, and if not, what I ended up doing with that blush. So, I don't know if I remember if I actually showed you the packaging, but this is the packagings for the jellies, and this was the packaging for the blush. So, yeah. They also make lashes too, and lip stuff. Maybe I'll go tomorrow and return it, or exchange it. I really hate they don't let you do returns. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. I love you. I hope you guys have a great weekend, day, evening, wherever you are. I hope you're having a good one. And I will see you guys again soon. I love you, my butterflies. Bye. That sounded very seductive. I love you, my butterflies. Okay.